Sure. You're right. How did you know? He must have did a bad turn or something.
Go.
You're talking him?
Yep. Dumbass.
Progressive Motors.
911, what is the address of your emergency?
I'm right in front of Hy-Vee and Walmart. I was just in an accident.
You're in front of what?
Hy-Vee and Walmart.
Hy-Vee is not by Walmart.
I'm sorry, Hy-Vee and Walgreens.
Okay. Okay. Two-vehicle accident?
Yes.
Any injuries?
No.
Are you blocking traffic?
We're both on the side of the road here. No, we're not blocking traffic.
Anybody trapped or pinned?
Excuse me. No.
Okay. What kind of vehicles were involved?
I'm in a white F Ford 150, and he's in a maroon.
And Elaine being in the car with them.
What's that sign there? That's just a road sign. What's that sign there? Just a road sign.
Road brakes and truck drivers, boy. Got you a dash cam. You seen it here first, folks.
Ideally, you want to get to the top, but probably since it's so long, endurance will be a factor. Climbers will get tired, some of them will fall, and so it'll be a kind of a way of separating the field, and probably maybe nobody will get to the top, or maybe just one competitor. So those are the three disciplines that will be competitive.
yourself, what does it mean to you that sport climbing is debuting at the Olympics?
I mean, for me, I think it's so exciting. It's something I felt for so long, but especially when I was kind of in the prime of my competition lifespan, it didn't seem like it was going to happen. So the fact that
in 1 3/4 miles, arrive at 3745 Cedar Avenue South on the left.
You tell people you're a professional rock climber.